Today we are talking about Opus Clip and whether it is really the best AI shorts generator or just another overhyped tool. Right now, short form content is growing very fast, and many creators want to turn the long videos into shorts, reels, or TikTok without spending hours editing. That's exactly what tools like Opus Clip promise to do. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find tools that actually save your time. If you want to try this tool, I have shared a helpful link in the description so you can explore it easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description because by using that link, any special offer or benefit that will be applied automatically. Now, let's come to the main part of the video. First, what is Opus Clip? In simple words, it is an AI tool that can take your long form videos and turns them into short clips automatically. You can upload your video or you can just paste a YouTube link and the AI will analyze everything like audio, visuals, speech, everything to find the most engaging moments. After that, it will cut those parts into short videos, adds caption, adjusts the format for vertical platforms, and even gives each clip a virality score that show you how engaging it might be. Now, let's talk about the main features. Instead of watching 1 hour video and finding highlights manually, the AI can generate multiple short clips in just minutes. Many creators use this to turn one videos into 10 or even 20 pieces of content. Another important feature is auto caption. The tool adds animated captions with good accuracy, which is very important for short videos because many people watch without sound. It also has a smart framing. This means ए like কি বলা শুরু হলো কত? It also has a smart framing. This means it automatically adjusts your video into vertical format for platform like TikTok, Shorts or Reels while keeping the main speaker in focus. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Opus Clip is very beginner friendly. You do not need editing skill, just upload your video, you wait few seconds for processing and you will get ready to use clips. This makes it perfect for YouTubers, podcasters and content creator who want to save time. But here is something very important. This tool is not a full video editor. It is mainly repurposing tool. That means it works best if you already have long videos. If you want to create videos from scratch, this is not the right tool. Also, the built-in editor is very basic and you can trim clips and add text, but for advanced editing, you may still need other software. Now let's talk about the real performance. In many cases, the AI does a very good job for finding useful clips and saving time, but it is not perfect. Sometimes the clips may start or end at the wrong moment, so you still need to review and adjust before posting. From user experiences, some people also feel the AI does not fully understand the context. For example, the clip often starts too early or cuts off at the wrong moment. So you should think of it as a helper, not a complete replacement for editing. Now let's talk about the pricing. There is a free plan where you can test the tool with limited credit, but it includes a watermark. The paid plan start from a low monthly price and unlock the feature like better exports, more credits and advanced options. Now the big question is it the best AI shorts generator? The answer is yes and also no. If you already create long form videos and you want to turn them into short content quickly, then Opus Clip is one of the best tool available right now. It saves time and it helps you to scale your content easily. But if you want full control, perfect editing, or content creation from scratch, then it is not enough on its own. Now, coming to the conclusion. Opus Clip is a powerful tool for repurposing content, especially for YouTubers, podcasters, or marketers. It can save hours of work, but it still needs human review to get the best result. So if your goal is speed and content scaling, this tool is definitely worth trying. But if you expect perfect AI editing without any changes, you may feel limited. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe easy access tech for more simple and honest tool reviews. And don't forget to check the link from description so any special offer get applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.